this program was really insightful. It really led me to put more intentions into my daily actions, but also thanks to the experiences of our mentors who were there to share their experiences, to give us some advices about our career or even in life in general.
The most meaningful takeaway in this program is you have to find your own position and how to success.
啲學員咧都係自願參加嘅，所以我覺得我哋都係為了同樣嘅一個目標喺度努力咯，咁就好有一個 group 嘅感覺，一齊成長嘅感覺咯。
This lesson helped identify the high demand in GBA lessons and market.
The comprehensiveness of GBA is really impressive. Not only is finance data, but also the advanced mechanism behind the Greater Bay Area. If I was offered a chance, I would definitely go to visit the Greater Bay Area.